Let's take a close look at some words. So I have a picture of a cow, a kite, and a clock. So these three words share a sound. What sound do they share? Cow, kite, clock. K, cow, k, kite, k, clock. They all share the same first sound. In cow, which letter is making the k sound? K, k, cow. C-O-W. K, ow. So the letter C is making a k sound. But take a look at kite. I-T, K-I-T. The letter K is making the K sound. So that means both C and K both can make the K sound. Wow! And guess what? In this word clock, we actually have two K sounds. One at the beginning, K, K, the letter C. And one at the end. What do you notice? The N sound. There's two letters, but one sound. It's C and K. So C and K also work together at the end of words to make sounds. Just like in the word black. B-L-A-C. C-K. Good job. Oh, this cute little animal. Do you know its name? It's a duck. D-U-C-K. Often, when you hear words ending in K, it's C and K working together